In this video, we are going to unbox my Ordro M5 5K camera gear that I got from eBay for $159. So let's get into it. First, we have the Ordro carrying case for the actual camera. I really hope that this is the Osmo Pocket 3 Killer. I haven't really tested it yet. So what we have inside here, of course, is going to be the camera, and I'm guessing a charging cable. So let's take a look. Yes, charging cable, cleaning cloth, and here we have the goodies, the actual camera itself. Here is the gold. Here's the camera. So I'm not going to actually do a review in this video on my expectations of this camera. I'm actually going to leave that for another video. So please subscribe if you want to see that. Let's continue going through the box. And I only thought from the listing, by the way, that I was only getting the camera and the case and the charger. I didn't realize that there was more. There was more listed in the description, but I actually didn't read it. So let's just keep going. Oh, wow, look at that. We actually got a tripod. I don't even know what brand this is. Cool little tripod. Look at that. Nice little connector on it, and you can actually adjust it sideways. What brand is this? I don't even know what brand this is. Huh. Maybe this is from Ordro itself. I have no clue. This is all plastic here, and this seems to be aluminum. The purple parts seem to be aluminum. This, is that metal? This part is metal too, so this is really cool. The only thing I see plastic is this and this. All right, let's continue on. Here's the Ordro SL50 RGB ambient lighting. Ambient lighting. Let's try that again. So I got this. It looks like it was never even opened. I'm not going to open it because I don't even really know if I'm actually even going to use this or not. I got so many different lights and lighting, and I actually like to shoot videos without even having to do lighting. Sometimes lighting can be a mess and your exposure can be a mess, which makes color grading a total nightmare. So right now I am using natural light from my office. I have lights above me, two above me here, and then two back here, and I have a window light coming in this way. I do have shades over my basement lights just so it's not as bright, and of course to keep privacy in my office setting. All right, so let's just keep going. I think we reached the bottom of the barrel here. Actually, no, I got Ordro microphone as well. I had no idea a microphone was coming with this. Yeah, I have no idea if this is even going to be any good. On the back here is written in Chinese, so I have no idea what the hell this is going to say. Made in China. So I'm not even sure how to even mount it because there is no mounting brackets on here whatsoever. Maybe this is magnetic. I have no freaking clue, but I guess we're going to find out eventually when I decide to actually set it up and test it. All right, so what do we got here? I actually thought the box was empty, but it looks like I have some more goodies in here. I got a receipt. By the way, he packed this really good with full of newspaper. First time I'm actually seeing this. Oh, cool, an adjustable ball head. These always come in use. So I can actually put this on here and make it even taller. And this will actually convert it so it will fit on here when I am filming, vlogging, or creating a short film. Who knows? I like to try and create a short film with this camera since they label it as the Osmo Pocket 3 Killer. We're going to find out in future videos, trust me. All right, so what else do we have here? Some type of another adapter, which I have never seen before in my life. I'm guessing this is some kind of a hot shoe mount maybe for the microphone, I guess. I have no idea what this is, but again, we will find out eventually what that is. And here we have the Ordro M5 5K camera instructions. Hopefully it's in English because I can't read Chinese, believe it or not. It looks like there was never even opened. Like it's even hard to get it out of here. Ordro M5 user manual. Holy moly, that is some tiny ass print. Look how tiny that is. Come on, Ordro, you could have made this text just a little bit bigger for people like me that are old. Anyway, this is where I'm going to leave this video. I just wanted to go through and unbox and show you the goodies that I got. But of course, the real goodie is going to be this camera. I will be making a review video, so please subscribe and hit that like button. I will catch you in the next one.